In this video, we'll show you how to sign out of Gmail on your iPhone. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you want to remove your Gmail account from your iPhone, whether you're using the Apple Mail app or the Gmail app, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, let's start with the Apple Mail app. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to find Mail. Once you're in the Mail section, tap on Accounts. This will show you all the accounts linked to your Mail app. Find the Gmail account you wish to sign out of and tap on it. Next, tap on Delete Account. Don't worry, this won't delete your Gmail account. It simply removes it from the Mail app on your iPhone. After this, your Gmail account will be signed out of Mail. Now, let's move to the Gmail app. Open the Gmail app and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, tap Manage Accounts on this device. You'll see a list of your linked accounts. Select Remove from this device. Confirm your action, and you'll be logged out of Gmail on your iPhone. That's it. You've successfully signed out of Gmail.